A structured lemon law investigation helps consumers regain legal leverage when a defective vehicle repeatedly fails to be repaired. Lemon laws in many states protect buyers with refunds, replacements, or reimbursements for vehicles with major defects impacting use, value, or safety. Success depends on proper documentation and understanding eligibility requirements. The process begins with 3 foundational steps. First, confirm eligibility by reviewing warranty terms, mileage limits, and whether the defect substantially impairs the vehicle. Second, organize all documentation, including purchase or lease contracts, warranty records, repair invoices, towing receipts, and communication with dealerships. Third, document the defect thoroughly through logs, photos, videos, mileage records, and evidence of similar complaints from other owners. Strong evidence may include technician notes linking repeated repairs to the same issue, records of failed repair attempts, and proof of out-of-pocket costs. Eligibility varies by state, but often requires 2 to 4 failed repairs for the same defect or 30-plus cumulative out-of-service days during warranty. New car claims are typically easier than used car cases, which may depend on dealer warranties. Next, consumers should use authorized service centers, keep records of repair visits, and send a certified written notice to the manufacturer and dealership requesting a remedy. Maintaining the vehicle's condition and filing a formal complaint with state arbitration or consumer protection agencies may also be necessary. Remedies can include a buyback, purchase price refund with allowable costs, a replacement vehicle, or a negotiated cash settlement. Working with a lemon law attorney can strengthen the case and reduce financial risk. Prompt action, organized documentation, and legal guidance significantly increase the chances of reaching a successful resolution. If you have a lemon, please call Julian McMillan at McMillan Law Group at 619-7959430. That's 619-7959430, or email us at julian@McMillanLawGroup.com for your free case evaluation.